We have breaking news on February 8th, 1978 in Boston, Massachusetts. A blizzard has come and gone with up to about 28 inches of snow, and with us we have two witnesses that have experienced it firsthand. With them is our reporter Haylee at the scene.
With me we have Michael Figueredo and Timothy Peterson. Now explain to me, what did you experience while the blizzard was happening? What are your thoughts?
The wind was howling and snow was piled up against the door and it just wouldn't open. When the power went out, the heat stopped coming. It got so cold, some of us thought we were going to freeze to death.
What about you, Michael? What was your experience with a tragic situation?
I saw my neighbor's power go out, then my power went out. The heat stopped, so I went to grab as many blankets as possible, but even that wasn't enough. I went to my car and was on my way to get everything I needed, but then the snow packed up so much in such little time that my car stopped moving. I was all by myself, not knowing what to do. I was so cold and so scared that the snow was up to my car windows. I thought I was going to die right in my car.
Did you see anyone get injured in the car?
Yes, sadly. I saw about 10 people injured on the ground. People have huddled around them trying to...
What about you, Michael? Did you witness anyone get hurt?
I saw about 13 injured, but I'm sure there were thousands more injured and hundreds that were killed.
In your opinion, how long did you think the storm lasted?
The storm lasted about 2.5 days with snow just piling up continuously.
That's two crazy points of view from two very unlucky people. Hope you guys find someplace safe with heat and power. That's all from me. Back to the studio.
What crazy stories. I don't know what I would have done if I were in that situation. Just incredible thinking. And that is the show for tonight. Hope you all stay safe there in the blizzard. See you guys tomorrow.